There's a Sony center there. I think I'm going to go and take a look because I want to look at the camcorder section. This is a heavy foot traffic heavy area, and there's a guy with a DSLR. Nice. Astro is there. A bicycle is there. Sony Center. Maybe I should forget about the hobby shop and just go up to the highest level. Let's see here, do they have any camcorders that I like? Oh, they have a lot of big camcorders there. Holy shit. Sony here. Where's the camcorder area? This is the camcorder area. 1080p, nope. Oh, 4K. 4,700 ringgit. Bloody hell, it's huge. 5.1 Dolby surround sound. It's so huge, my god. My size is actually about this size here. The 4K is so huge. Very nice looking. Zeiss HDMI. This one here, lovely. There are not many buttons, unfortunately. I think it's touch screen. I'd rather if it was all manual screen. Oh well, you can't have them all. So it should be touch screen. And the lens, is it supposed to be able to move? Nope, it does not have any grip at all, so it's not manual focus, unfortunately. There's no shoe. The shoe should be somewhere about here. Open it up and can attach your shoe here. Lighting, Rode microphone, all types of fun stuff. $5.1 surround sound. Price wise, very expensive, but it's okay. Maybe in the future, once this 1080p camcorder of mine goes kaput, hopefully not in a long time. There's a jack for the microphone, and also it feels a bit plasticky here. It's not leather. It has a design of animal, a dead animal, but well, that's about it actually. Let's go to the other side. There's a shop here that sells camcorders too. So let's take a look. Oh, yung ma? Can use? Can. Camcorders are here. 4K ones from Panasonic. 3008 and 4003. One's the 8 series, the other one is the 9 series. There's no lens, you can't manually focus it. The size, this one of course is smaller, this is a full HD. And those are the big cameras. Those are not what I'm looking for. Let's see here. Anybody can tell me about camcorders? They have a third option too. This is this one is the manual thing one. What is it called?
You can use a manual focus already.
Oh yeah, this is the manual. It says grip here, but that one, those no, no.
No. That one is you have two screens.
Two screen, okay.
No, two lenses for here. You can turn for you can see yourself.
I know. I'm not interested in that. This one is how much? This is still very huge. Oh, 30 times zoom. Oh shit.
This is 4899. We give for you the 64 gig and the case for you.
Oh, okay. Is it a class 10 or more?
64 gig is a class 10.
Class 10.
Yeah.
So it can record 4K images easily.
But one thing you want to bit better quality, you want to use a 4K memory card. Like
yeah. Okay, 4K memory card.
That will give for you not 4K.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Then why would you give us the 10 class instead of the 4K memory cards?
Sorry?
Why don't you give the
4K memory card more expensive?
Oh, how expensive?
You use a 64 only, it's 400 over.
Oh, 400. Oh, okay, 400 ringgit for
4K.
4K.
The Sony band like third party band like send this already about 200 plus.
200 bucks. Oh, half the. Oh, okay. So it's not the Sony special card, right? It can be used for any other.
Any card
okay.
also can.
Okay. What's this? Oh, is that the whole here, no? This one, what's this?
Projector.
Projector. Oh, this is a projector too.
Projector. You can show the projector. Oh.
Yeah.
Sony is a projector. The camcorder like not 4K one also got projector.
I don't think I need a projector. Okay. This one is the latest one. Oh, it's alright. No. I don't need a projector. You don't have any other 4K camcorders? No more. Other brands?
Other brand, no, it's only Sony and Panasonic.
Or they only these two companies produce?
Camcorder only these two only. Other like they use an action cam or I don't know you got 4K lah. Action cam or GoPro.
Oh, okay. Is it the same quality? The GoPro?
The GoPro compared with this one different. GoPro you can take for night shot is better.
What about the quality of the image?
Image quality, the screen, the resolution, the camcorder is better.
Camcorder is better. Is it equivalent to the DSLR?
No.
DSLR better?
DSLR is DSLR technology. This is camcorder. Camcorder is different.
How about the image quality? Which one is better, DSLR or camcorder?
DSLR use a video half thing only. Or you want to compare this quality, nothing only.
So this is better like camcorder?
Camcorder is better. But SLR use only take picture.
But a lot of people use DSLR for high crisp quality video. No.
You use normally use SLR only. Use a time lapse.
Time lapse, okay.
Time lapse you setting only like photo and playback only same like the video. Time lapse function.
Oh. With sound too.
Yes.
So they use the time lapse or
no, time lapse you can computer adjust the sound also can only.
Oh. Okay. Okay. So thanks for your time. There's too many functions for that camcorder. Maybe this one here. 3,800. Doesn't have a projector or all those stuff. But at least that one, the huge camcorder just now, has this manual focus. This one does not have. So, too bad. I'm gonna take some of the. Is there a booklet for camcorders?
Sony action cam.
Okay, 4K is no K. Let's go up. Or not. I think I'll just go to the hobby shop. It's supposed to be roughly here, I think. So you might be thinking that Malaysia's economy is bad. Of course it's bad. Oh, this is an audiophile shop lot. So you might judge Malaysia's economy by the number of people shopping at this working day time. But in actual fact, camcorders. Cannot record. Weird. Como no ya? Wait, I might be wrong. The hobby shop, which is called XL stuff, is not here, I think. Ah, they have Olympus. Maybe they have some camcorders here. Who knows? Maybe not. And the chances of them selling 4K camcorders is definitely very slim. Two companies, Sony and Panasonic only. Where's the XL shop? Okay, this is quite strange. The XL shop is nowhere to be seen. There's a factory outlet there. Oh, there's Aeon. And there's a Comic Smart up there. Hobby stuff. Mega Kids, whatever. And quite smoky because of the fumes from this food or whatever. Now there are more males here than females, so I'm not gonna park my ass here, unfortunately. Let's go up. It's quite smoky here. If you're hungry, you'll definitely be hungry after smelling the atmosphere here. So we're top. This is the top. It's very bright. And this is one side of it. Pets Wonderland. Let's go to Comic Smart and take a look what they have. Those were quite pretty girls. Very nice shots. Yummy. So that side there is the food court. And also if you go on further, you end up at the cinema, golden screen cinema. Last time we used to have a cosplay event here. I think it's called the Animax, but they don't have it anymore. They have moved the venue to Sunway Lagoon, sorry, Sunway Pyramid. And if you have a dog or a cat or whatever, you can buy food from them from here. This is my third battery. And after this, it will be the big, huge battery, but I'm not sure whether to use it or not because I'm feeling quite lethargic. The Thai Odyssey here for massage of the Thai variant. And this is the hobby shop. They sell hobby stuff like Star Wars and stuff. Nice ass actually. What else do they have here? I remember back then it wasn't called this, whatever name is now called. I bought the Perfect Grade Evangelion 01 from Bundy or whatever company. That's not from Bandai. I remember it was from here definitely. Nowadays it's the card games that rule the earth or the hobby scene. Spawn of yesteryear, so many things from the old days. So many things. I need to drink. So there are some old comics now they are worth their worth is equivalent to toilet paper. Of course they can't be turned into toilet paper because there's too much chemicals in it in the form of colors and whatnot. And there are a lot of tables for card games, and of course those are figurines, small ones. So we can come here to buy some comics if you want to. Still find comics. Scarlet Witch, oh my god, those are huge bosoms. Let's continue on our journey. Let's walk through the heaven. That means it's food. Ah yes, Daiso is there. Time to go buy some stuff from Daiso. The hooks. I need the hooks. I need the hooker. Oh, these are games, stuff from Mission World, PlayStation original games and whatnot. And this is, I haven't watched this Final Fantasy. I don't think I will watch it ever. So this is Food Junction. Whatever it is. No idea what it is actually. Nice ass actually. What is this? Where's Daiso? I thought I saw. Ah yes, there it is. Oh, nice ass. Lovely. And the skin is so white and pearly. Daiso, yes. Hooks. We need to buy hooks. A bit smaller than usual. There's the upstairs. That's the first for Daiso. Never experienced it being like having two levels. Oh god, what am I doing here? This is the female section. Yep, this is the female section. What am I doing here? No idea. I think upstairs is the part where I'm supposed to go to. Oh, it's like a bloody jam here. Okay. How do we? shit. It's brown in color. My sister. Oh yes. This is the one. The music is copyrighted. Fuck. 3 kilograms. Burn it. Sticks to the wall properly. 1 5 ringgit 30 cents. Nice. Anything else? This is for fishing. And I'm gonna buy one of these for the hooks for my motorcycle. Orange or blue, I wonder. Orange looks okay. Can we other colors? The hooks are big enough. This one is thicker actually. This one thicker. And the color is quite nice. But the hooks are a bit too small. So no point in buying that. So shit. So I'm gonna buy this one. Off to the shit. Anakku music, god damn it. Then marker section, where definitely this is very copyrighted music because it's a very popular music. That's the marker area. So where's the marker area? I'll have to brave through these copyright shenanigans. La 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 la. Shit, don't tell me it's downstairs. Be fucked. Daiso is always nice to peruse or go around because it's pretty, it's cute, it looks clean, and you know for a fact that all the items are 5 ringgit and 30 cents. And the stationery section below, and I have to go down again. I don't want to do so. Damn it. I think I'll go downstairs. But before that, I want to check out what's out there. What is out there? Perfume section. Cannot bring this thing out yet and put it here first. So let's see here what's there. Okay. Oh yes, now I remember there's a hobby shop which is called the Bee Hobby. Okay, hopefully they'll leave the items on that artificial grass while I go and look at the Bee Hobby, which is through this area or this balcony or this bridge. And just now we were at their Comic Mart, and suddenly there are not many people at all. I think it's time for them to go back to work. It's 1:45, so that's Daiso. I like this color logo thing. It's blue now, and later will be some other color. Very peaceful colors, blue and purple, and in between, and green and brown. Very nice. I like it. It reminds me of Japan. Not that I've been there before, but yep. Bee Hobby has some of those stuff. They have some drinking water, eh? Bad boy. They have Transformers, they have Gundams, they have all types of stuff. And I covered them before. I'm not going to cover them now because it's always the same old shit. Now it's time to buy something from Daiso. Let's do some sniping. Anybody interesting? Is the marker section there? That's the question that I want to ask people about. Urban Adventure. It's got colorful walls. Are you supposed to traverse it or climb it? No idea. I feel a bit woozy. This bridge is actually moving. Garage Cafe. Interesting. Tiffin by whatever. Oh no, why is this so sticky? Weird. Back to Daiso. Why is there a Patreon logo there? No, it's not a Patreon logo, it's a Wakai. Oh, you can donate your blood here, I think. No blood will be donated today. It's time to do some sniping. Let's see here. Braced myself properly and lovingly. Okay, enough of sniping. Let's go buy some stuff. Oh shit. Music, fuck. Gareth Gates, fuck. Hopefully the music won't be so bad. There'll be markers down below. Others have to go down and check. $10.60. So time to go back down. All this Japanese music. Found it. It's here. Make sure I won't find a marker. Nope, no marker. I don't like this one. The ones that I normally use is not here. Sayonara Daiso. Sayonara oh, sayonara eh. Sayonara oh. Bye bye. Now it's time to go out. G Factory. Okay, it's getting a bit annoying. The plastic bag from Daiso, which is tied to my man purse, or man bag. Old Town White Coffee, so what? Connect. The connection for the sign is not so good. It's bleeping. Ipo chicken rice. Interesting. Wow, this space is very empty. I remember back then in 2014 when they had the Animax cosplay, the cosplayers were everywhere, sprawled out here as if they were bodies from a suicide bombing in an airport. I should not say that out loud actually. Hanamaru Udon. I don't know whether I have enough energy for digital mall walkthrough. That area there that the shutters are down, that's the exhibition area, and this is feng shui, which is scheisse. I wish my waist can actually do 360. Let's go and teleport myself to that end there. As a Nike, just do it. As Shia LaBeouf would say, just do it. Do it. Do it. New Balance. New Balance. That's nice. It's at 40, I think. 40 times zoom. A girl being fed by a guy. Nice, very romantic indeed. Life would be easier if we had a 4K camera that costs 4K, because the stabilizing stuff inside the camcorder is excellent, especially when it comes to zooming. New Balance. Adidas. I can't actually mispronounce the name. Adidas. Faber-Castell. What the fuck? There's a McDonald's at the end here. I like this place because this one here is all tiles and it becomes wood tiling. Stadium. So I wouldn't have to walk so gingerly at all if I had that 4K camera, which looks really huge. It would take some time to get used to it if I were to purchase that big brick of a camcorder. And speaking of bricks, I am very, very dry. Not to say that in terms of whatever, not that I have a vagina, not that type of dryness, but in terms of my mouth. I've been talking, and I'm very thirsty. And my mouth is very dry. Fabs P is something to do with fabbing or fapping, or is it Fab Spy? No idea. Is there a daily planet up there? Nope, it's a holiday planet. Takashima People's nipples, as they say it in Japan. People's nipples. Oh, this area I'm not that familiar with. You know, when you try to walk with your muscles, your toe muscles, it's very tiring indeed, because you try to like not walk like a normal person. You're trying to like tiptoe around like you're silent or a thief at night, trying to avoid the creaking of the floorboards. So it gives a lot of tension to the muscles, and my feet are tired, very tired. And I do think I deserve a smoke, though I've already had 2 sticks of cigarettes. One in the morning at around, I think, 9:30 a.m. and of course one after lunch, which is after I've filmed the chicken rice. And now after this place is Midvalley walkthrough. And also, of course, Digital Mall. There's nothing much to see in Digital Mall. It's nice, nicely designed, quite empty, and there are a lot of posh, posh outlets there. This is Mikey's New York Pizza. There's the arowana fish there, brings good luck according to the Chinese people. And of course McDonald's. And strangely enough, I do not remember Golden Screen Cinemas to be up there. No, I do not remember them being up there. I remember them being here. Actually, it's supposed to be somewhere about here. The kiosk or the counter for the ticketing, whatever, is supposed to be here, not up there. So there are a lot of design changes to the place since a year or 2 ago. Weird indeed. Let's go and focus on this New York pizza. Oh, wrong focus. Don't know whether they'll be able to see some of the pizza being made or not. Maybe if I walk into the pizzeria, I'll be able to see and also smell how they actually do it. The pizza, that is. And strangely enough, I could actually able to hear the lower frequency or the high pitched voice of the Caucasian girl. So these are the scenes of Malaysia. What it's like to be here. It's not too warm. Of course, we are in a shopping complex that is being cooled down by air conditioning. If you fancy some Japanese food, maybe try it here. Not that I've tried it before. Nope, I haven't tried it before. Oh god, I'm now back to sniping this poor girl and putting words into her mouth. Okay, let's do so. Let's see. So the product that I'm buying is good for health. I can assure you it's very, very good for health. Not speaking much. Yeah. this was the 4K camcorder, there would be no shaking. Is that a good reason to buy a 4K camera? Nope. Because this Full HD camera still works fine. I know it looks weird. No worries, mate. Okay, that's it. Now I have to go to the digital mall, which is just next to this Midvalley, and go to the stationery shop that sells all types of markers. So I think I'm gonna film my journey there. Hopefully I'll find the place. You don't need to go to the ground floor to actually access the place. All you have to do is just go onto the first floor. And of course go to the middle area. I think first floor, middle area. Oh, I like that type of style clothing. Lacy, see-through black lace clothes thing. La Senza lingerie, skin food. Wait, where is that hobby shop that deals in big fat statues? You see, KL lights, or people who work in KL or Selangor, they have a lot of disposable income, so they are able to waste their money on very expensive plastic. Of course, you can blame me too for that, because I bought some rather expensive plastic from China. Makeup. Oh, where are the ladies? They're supposed to make some cotton candy. They're not around anymore. Down there is just fashion and accessories. Up here, no idea. It's also the same old shit, right? Okay, there's a garden center point. There's a sign there. I'm not going to Toys R Us or Kamdar. So turn left or exit at 9 o'clock to access the garden mall. You might be wondering why I did not interview anybody in this place. It's because I don't have the will to do so. Normally I prefer to interview single people and not in a group or in twos. So if you are unfortunate enough to be talked to by me, that means you were singled out. So help me in making the next video by supporting me through Patreon, like, subscribe and share it all around. See you in the next video, which is Garden Mall.